Yeah, so in this video we're talking about how the desk right here and smaller ones like this is about the size of the pickup space in the back of a pickup. That's about the size of an RV. And this is lifted by about, we're going to say, 200 million cups of heavy hydrogen too. That's about 400 trillion cups of heavy hydrogen too. Gas. This right here at the front of it, that down there, that is all of the weapons that it can hold. Most of them are all lasers, and these are all agreeable shapes. That's agreeable shape. Everything here is agreeable shape. That over there is an agreeable shape. And it's all lasers. Lasers work by a heat furnace made out of, say, um, N2O or let's see, diesel, gasoline, nitro, things like that. You can say it's mostly to heat the temperature to, say, plasma temperatures, things like that. So if you want to say you're heating it up to the temperature of plasma, then you fire the laser, and the trapped chemicals heat the laser's light, and like a similar to a cooking light for remaining the heat within certain foods. That sort of light. That's how the direct energy lasers work. So you would just heat the light up, fire it at the temperature you want to have it at, and all of that will work. So all of these down here are laser types. The third one, the long one, is a very large laser. The smaller ones are small lasers, and certain ones are mining lasers in the front. Down here at the bottom, it looks like certain small things. This is how pretty much it worked. It would have wings, but it wouldn't be that size over here with the wings. This is a pickup size, so it'll be probably smaller than this one. Over here, you could have two of them, I suppose, and control them via two windows on your computer.